one challenge is the flow of information and the sharing of data. That's certainly a challenge now for all organisations, and the system provides quite a robust document store that allows you to, as an employer, to serve up those documents and allow access to from the employee or team member. How does that work in practice?
Yeah, so if you take the simple documents that employers have, the employee handbook, you can take an employee handbook and you can put that document in the important documents folder, and you can push that out to the employees, so the employees have access to that document at any given time. They can go in, they can download it, they can read it, and other important documents that are relevant to the business. Maybe it's got to do with health and safety statements, and maybe it's got to do with some sort of notification that needs to go out to all employees. So again, those documents could be uploaded into the platform, and a notification can go out to those employees to say that a new document has been added, and whether there's action needed or it's just an FYI, whether it's a staff newsletter or whatever the case might be. But then they also have the functionality around training and development. So they have the ability to take documentation, video content, all that's needed around the training space, and they can put it into the platform, and they can push that content out to the relevant employees. So it's not just about pushing it into the platform and then everyone has access to it. You push the content into the platform, and then you notify the people who need to actually complete that training. So, for example, if you had a mix between office staff and warehouse staff, your warehouse staff may have some health and safety training, because it could be working from heights, it could be manual handling, it could be forklift driving certification. There could be a huge amount of different types of training and development needed within an organization, but you're only pushing the relevant content to people it matters to and the people who need to complete it. Again, you can put the content in the platform. You can send it to the employees for completion, so they can go in online, they can complete it, they can give some feedback, and you as the employer can run a report around who's completed the training, who's looked at it, and who still needs to do it. So again, it helps the employer go in, instead of, if you have 100 people who need to do the training, instead of chasing 100 people and you find out that 20 of them have done it, all you're doing is looking down through the records and saying, actually, I know there's only 25 people I need to chase here, and they can chase for that to be done. You can set expiry dates on it, you can set completion dates on it. So again, it's giving the employer that administrative support that they need to get things done.